Hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to cover the qTest integration plugin for your browser. This plugin is useful for anybody that integrates their qTest projects with a ALM system like Jira, for instance, or Rally or version 1. And if you do integrate one or many projects with an ALM system, you'll preferably want to use the browser plugin as a best practice. So let's go through this together. In the upper right corner of your qTest instance, you'll notice this downward arrow. And the downward arrow has many different resources in this area, not just the integration plugins, but has other useful tools that you might need to know about as well. Today, we're going to click on the area that says qTest Integration Browser Plugins. And depending on your browser, you will click on the corresponding link. So today I am using Chrome. Chrome is definitely a great browser to use when you are managing qTest. And of course, we do have Firefox and Internet Explorer here as well. So if I click on this Chrome extension, as an example, it's going to take me to the resources page that describes the information about the plugin. So if I scroll down, I can see here that it does integrate with Jira version 1 and Agile Central, aka Rally, as it was previously called. So if I scroll back up, I can go ahead and click on the button up here that says Add to Chrome. And this is going to go ahead and add my qTest extension. What this does for me, if you do notice here in the corner, is when I go to create a defect, it's going to take me straight into Jira. So let's take a look at how that will work. So the correct way that you'll know that your plugin has been downloaded is when you go to run a test run, whether you're using Quick Run or TestPad, you will get this notification here asking you which project you'd like it to go into. That is, of course, the standard here. And when you hit OK, it will take you right into your ALM system. So this is the proper or sort of the correct way that you will see the plugin in action. So when the plugin is working, you will see, okay, I'm going right into Jira. You'll notice there that you're in your Jira instance and you're no longer in qTest. You would go ahead and create the defect. So I say, this is my bug, right? And once I fill out all the corresponding information for the defect, I go ahead and click Create. And the important thing to note is, again, all of these fields are my Jira fields. If I were going to assign somebody this defect, it would be assigning them in Jira. So I would have a list of names of people in this corresponding Jira project. So if I go ahead and hit Create, watch the screen, don't look away because you may miss it, as I like to say. It will happen very quickly. The correct action, which is to return you back to qTest. And this is important because, of course, the window does disappear and it sort of, X's out of what you were doing. And the first time that you see the integration work, this may seem like a defect in itself, right? Or a bug that, asking if that is the proper way. And this is the correct way that the integration works. So once you get the defect put in, it will show you the corresponding defect ID. And I can go ahead and hit OK. And once this is put in, I can go ahead and go to my defects, and I will see my brand new defect that we just created. And if I click on that link, it will take me to the defect in Jira where we created it. And you'll also see the qTest extension within Jira, and you'll know that everything is working correctly, as you will see that brand new test run that has come in associated with this issue. I hope you found today's training helpful that covered how to install the ALM plugin for your qTest instance.